What is up, YouTube? I am doing a NASCAR unboxing of Denny Hamlin. And when I went to Walmart last week and this week, they had nothing new. All they had was Wave 12 for NASCAR Authentics of 2018, and something of the Daytona Wave, or the Daytona Wave, I guess you want to call it. And they also had Wave, I don't know, 4 maybe? Wave 3? Up there, and nothing I'm interested in. Nothing new, but I did get this car. And I also do have another car, which is that one. But it's different because the one I got was from Lionel off of eBay. And the one I got had that little patriotic sticker there. It's pretty much the same. But if you do get a car from Walmart, open it, I guess. If you want to. It's really your choice. But the older cars, I recommend not opening, like 1991 and early 2000s. I recommend not opening those. Just because they're worth more. Like this car got from Walmart, so you can open that one. So anyways, let's get to unboxing this bad boy. This is a really crap. I can't even open it, to be honest. Holy crap. They, like, this better be a good freaking, ow. Crap, this is, they like super glued the bottom of it to the actual packaging, which is super hard to get off. So that took me a little while. That's what you get out of it. You get, this is a pretty cool magnet. It's already fingerprints on it. I don't know. I know I did some of that, but, and the one thing I did notice is that, I think right here maybe. Yeah, it's a thicker magnet than every other magnet you get in the different waves. And here's the car you get. Which I do like the plastic piece, because you can just like display it. Well, no, not that way. Now this car makes my wave 2018 complete for wave, well, 2018 wave 12 complete. This is a very nice car. Right there is some white, and I have this car. And as you can see, the wrap should have been down more. I'm gonna show you, like, practically, this is practically the same, but right here is not, because my wall peeled some of the paint off. So that's why it's chipped. That side is fine. They just should have brought the wrap down more on that side. Everything is pretty much the same on it, but yeah, everything's pretty much the same. But the bottom chassis part is different. White splitter, black splitter, which they just, I don't know what they were thinking. And they do a terrible job. As you can see, the white splitter part is like not on there good, and this one is, and same thing. And the chassis part still black. Man, this is a pretty nice car. I have the complete wave now. And see right there. This one does not have that name right there. This is Denny Hamlin's car he ran at Daytona for the Coke 0400, not Daytona 500, but the Coke 0400. And he wrecked in it, sadly. But this is a really great patriotic scheme. It's got the camo, military camo right there. This is a really nice scheme. If you are thinking about buying it, I recommend buying it. But I recommend buying the one from Amazon. I know it's more expensive, but it's just, these aren't good quality. I mean, these are better quality than this. It's like way better quality than this. Like, all of them are like that, and I'm going to show you why do not buy these, because I got a car from the same exact wave. And just look at the L, the blue blends in. It doesn't, like, separate it, and right there is, like, yeah, I recommend buying cars from Amazon, to be honest. Sorry, Lino, being completely honest, your quality cars that you released at Walmart suck. They suck. Got nothing else to say. They suck. And I got more here for the 2018 wave. No, put all of them on camera here. Put all my whole wave on camera. Which I do not have the liquid color car. I might. I don't know if this one is, but let me know in the comments if it is. It didn't have a sticker. So this is my complete wave for the 2018 Wave 12. Don't worry, there's more. Hooters car, which I really love that one. Not all of them will fit, so on the screen here. So, and then there's one more which it won't fit, which will be right there. That's a very nice collection. Very, very, very nice collection. I really love these cars, but I do recommend buying them off of eBay or Amazon. Amazon, like, not these packaging, not this. This is the cars that you get from Walmart. I'm not saying they suck. I'm not trying to say that, but if you do get a car from Amazon, Walmart, I recommend getting, like, this kind. This is a lot better than that mold. I don't know a lot about the die-cast molds and stuff. I know it's just a suckier mold than this. So thank you for watching my 2018 Wave 12 unboxing. I know the year is 2019. And this is not a video for the past, but just saying, I don't know what Walmart was thinking. So please like, subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. And sorry I have not been uploading. I've been having a lot of things I've been getting to do, like school and stuff is in the way of uploading. And once I get home, I'm tired, so sorry for all that going on. And I will try to make it up and try to upload daily. Bye.